Hi everyone, I hope you are well. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Rug Doctor's portable spot cleaner. Now this is out new and I am really excited to test it out. I have been a little bit dubious because carpet cleaners to me just scream out soaking wet carpets and having to leave it overnight and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what it looks like and how to use it, so let's get cracking. So this is the carpet cleaner out of the box. It's really small and like compact. I really like it. It has got the carry handle here and we've also got the handle release, which is just amazing. And then it's on wheels. It's like luggage. It's so cool. And then that goes down. And then we've got the clean water tank here and then the wastewater tank. I actually thought it was just one tank, so that's quite cool. We've got the motorized brush here, which just comes off like that. And then all the wires and that are kind of kept in with these. So it's pretty compact. There's no kind of scariness about it. You know, I'm quite a newbie when it comes to carpet cleaners. So yeah, let's try it out. I'm so excited. So we have to take the clean water tank off and then we fill this up to the water line, clean water up to here, and then your spot cleaner up to there. I've just put the hot soapy water in and I moved all the sofas. I'm going to start behind the sofa and yeah, let's go. We are done. I have done the whole entire living room and you know, it smells so good and I can see how clean the carpet is already. And it's taken me maybe 20 minutes. I will just show you quickly that the carpet cleaner has actually picked up cat hair. Now, we haven't got a cat. And the previous tenant had a cat and it's actually picked up all the grime from, you know, embedded into the carpet, which is horrific. Look, but so good. So good. So I'm so impressed with that. So now I'm going to crack on with the other bedrooms. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.